This is a fit for a 2003 through 2018 Chevrolet Express van with rain gutters. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex RL150 base roof rack system. This system is using the Vortex load bars in silver, 65 inches in length, the RL150GMC leg set, which includes all the necessary fasteners and brackets for the rain gutter. The crossbar spacing is variable anywhere along the length of the rain gutter. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 220 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.